Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about rules and expectations. It's useful for new teachers. So if you're a new teacher, this will really help you. If you're struggling to set boundaries for your students, this will help you. Okay, so before I forget, my channel has just hit 100 subscribers. So thank you very much to all the people who have subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, why haven't you subscribed? Hit that subscribe button for more quality content. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so here we are, rules, boundaries, and expectations. So why media? Ask yourself, why media? So I teach media, so you could be teaching English, maths, whichever subject, but the rules and boundaries still remain the same. So media is a tough industry to break into. If you're not sure if this is a course for you, it will show when you find it challenging along the course. For a more stable, better paying job, choose one of the STEM subjects. However, if media is something you are passionate about, then you are in the right place. So I always let students know what the media industry is like and what to expect, roles, responsibilities of job roles. Okay, then we have careers in media. So one of the websites that I highly recommend is prospects.ac.uk, and there's a link there. This is a brilliant website which gives you information on job roles, responsibilities, salary, etc. So it's a good idea to research a job role that you are interested in or something you see yourself doing in the future. Okay, then we have an overview of your yearly plan. So this is an overview of your weeks, months ahead. After Christmas holiday, the course will fly by, so use your time wisely. Okay, so here we are on this journey. So I'm here to help you, to guide you. There will be times when your journey does not always go smoothly. So I highly recommend stay the course, trust the teacher, and trust the process. We are here to help you. So I'm teaching level 1, 2, and 3 UAL in media. Okay, dress code. So you're in a professional learning environment. You need to behave and dress accordingly at all times. So I've got this little image here, no hats, no hoods, no sunglasses. Please remove these items before entering. So when you play this video for your students, they will know what these rules and expectations are. You are telling them how to behave, what is accepted and what is not unacceptable. Dress code number 2 is one of my favorites. Here we are. Some students sit down in class with their backpacks still on. You are not a mountain climber, take off your backpack because you are here ready to learn. So what does ready to learn look like? Next slide. What does ready to learn look like? Backpacks off, mobiles away, coats off. What are your expectations? What are your objectives? What is the one thing you need to learn today or complete today? That should be on your main focus. Okay, drama. So no drama allowed during lessons. So you are here to work, educate yourself, and learn about the course as possible. There is no room for drama. If you have genuine concerns, then we can discuss. I don't allow any drama llamas in my class. Respect. So I always tell my students, respect each other at all times, respect your teacher at all times, respect your environment at all times. Diversity. Everyone is different, treat everyone equally. Instead of seeing different as a negative, think what can you learn from each other. You will come with different skills and knowledge. Share knowledge and skills, communicate with each other. Comfortable. Okay, so if you are too comfortable in your journey, you will never grow. Try to sit away from friends, people you know, interact, communicate with people who are new or are different to you. Get out of your comfort zone and start talking to new people. I always encourage this, especially at the beginning. If you set the rules right at the beginning of the term, then that will set the tone for the rest of the academic year. Lateness. If you are running late, email me. When you walk in, apologize for your lateness and quietly sit down. Do not chat to your friends, do not make noise, do not distract your class. Food and drink. No food and drink allowed during lessons. Only bottled water. Mobile phones. Here we are with mobile phones. No mobile phones are to be used during lessons. Put your phones in your bag. Mobile phones are distracting and will distract you in your learning. If you are unable to follow this rule, you need to ask yourself, do you want to do this course or do you want to be on your mobile phone? So I've got a picture of Bill Gates and Steve Jobs here. The reason I put their images there is because when their kids were young, they didn't allow their kids to use mobile phones. And the reason being is because they realized the addictive nature of mobile phones, so they didn't allow it for their kids. Okay, talking. So when your teacher talks, you listen, don't interrupt. Attention, please. Yeah. Okay, Google Drive. Save all your work in files and folders in Google Drive. So here is my Google Drive. I've taught digital photography, game design, fashion design, graphic design, a whole load of subjects here. So when you are showing this to your students, they can create their own files and folders according to the subject that they are doing, and then they can save it. Mac files and folders, so we're using Macs here. You may use Windows, and that's fine. As long as you have a system of organization, that's the main thing. And you know where everything is kept, and you are able to find it. Okay, save your work. Save your work continuously whilst you work. This will ensure your work is saved even if the computer crashes. Back up your work. Always back up your work. This cannot be stressed enough. Get into the habit of backing up now. One of my students in one of the colleges I was working at, she had a meltdown because her external hard drive fell out as she was getting off the bus. So make sure you back it up, Google Drive, OneDrive, whatever, as long as you back it up. You won't have any issues. Okay, that's it for now. Let me know in the comment section how it all went. Bye for now. See you in the next video.